بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. Inshallah ta'ala, we're moving on to lesson 14. Lesson 14, in lesson 14 we're going to go over shadda and sukoon in one word. So sukoon and shadda in one word. Here when we look at the first word, you have mim fatha ra, mim fatha ra shadda mar, ra dhamma, waw sukoon. Waw sukoon. Again, waw is a long vowel, and as we mentioned earlier in the earlier lessons, that waw, if it doesn't have a fatha, kasra, dhamma, then it's going to have a sukoon. So here there's no fatha in it, there's no dhamma in it, there's no kasra on it, so it's going to have a sukoon on it. Alright, by default. Alright, it's going to have a sukoon on it. If there's no fatha, dhamma, or kasra on it, it's going to automatically have a sukoon and it's going to be invisible. They don't write it. So mim fatha ra dhamma, mim fatha ra shadda, mim fatha ra shadda mar, ra dhamma waw sukoon ru, marru, ra dhamma waw sukoon ru, marru. And again, we mentioned this earlier, that the alif there is silent. The alif indicates that it's that the word is plural. So here the word is plural, and you're not going to pronounce the alif. So marru, which means they pass by. Marru. Same thing here. Rab fatha, ba shadda, rab ba kasra ya, sukoon bi. Again, the sukoon is invisible. Rabbi. Yeah, if it had, there's no kasra on it, there's no dhamma on it, there's no fatha on it, so it has to have a sukoon. Rabbi. Alright. Mim dhamma, dal shadda, mud, dal fatha, ta sukoon, dat. Alright, let's do that again. Mim dhamma, dal shadda, mud, dal fatha, ta sukoon, dat. Dat. Muddat. Muddat. Alright. Let's go over a few challenging examples here. So fa fatha, hamza kasra, noon shadda, in, noon fatha, lam sukoon nal, fa innal. Again, this is hamza al wasl. This hamza you're not going to pronounce it if it's in the middle of a word here, where if you're connecting it, you're not going to pronounce it. If it was at the beginning, we would. If we start with this word, we will pronounce it. But here, because we're connecting this word with this word, it's going to be dropped. So noon fatha, lam shadda nal, fa innal. Jim fatha, noon shadda jan, fa innal jan. Noon fatha, jim fatha, noon shadda jan, fa innal jan. Noon fatha na, fa innal janna. Ta fatha ta, fa innal jannata. And then if you stop on the ta marbuta, it turns into a ha. So it becomes fa innal jannah. Fa innal jannah. Alright, same thing here. لحب الخير. So you want to spell each one of these out. Alright, spell these out and then go back once you're able to spell them out, and then just read them. Marru, Rabbi, Muddat, Huqqat, Khaffat, Tabbat, and repeat them until you're comfortable with reading them, and use your app, your Qaida Nooraniya app, to assist you with that.